And we're going.
The lights went off. Okay, lights back on. Lights flashing. Hi, we're Sound on Stereo, and this song's called "Oh, the Places You Could Go."
Alright.
What's up, dog? You're down. I swallowed my gun.
She pops a cap and falls to the floor. She's a wreck, she's a mess, I confess with this test that she's worse off than before. And she's crazy cute, the way she moves, dancing in the room, got nothing to do. She takes another drag, and the night goes on, and her sober eyes can't deny any other guy in this room beside me. Whoa, places you could go. And she tips her glass, it's halfway gone, passes out drunk, the TV on. Whoa, places you could go. 3 in the morning, and she's walking through the door. She calls it sleeping, I call it passed out on the floor. She wakes up, sobers up, grabs her stuff in the cup that she had the night before. She takes another drag, and the night goes on, and her sober eyes can't deny any other guy in this room beside me. The places you could go. And she tips her glass, it's halfway gone, passes out drunk, TV on. Places you could go. I hate to say it, but you're never sober. Call me up, you know that I'll come over. We've got some talking to do. I hope that I will never forget you. I hate to say it, but you're never sober. Call me up, you know that I'll come over. We've got some talking to do. I hope that I will never forget. Sober eyes can't deny any other guy in this room besides me. The places you could go. She tips her glass, halfway gone, she passes out drunk, got the TV on. Places you could go. And her sober eyes can't deny any other guy in this room besides me. Places you could go. And she tips her glass, it's halfway gone, passes out drunk, got the TV on. Places you could go.